I decided to vlog, so I'm trying to... This is not bad. Hello everybody! Hi! I have not vlogged in a minute. I think the last time I vlogged was Portland, and that was like almost 2 months ago. But yeah, hello. I have about exactly 21 days left here in Washington, and because I'm leaving, I don't really care where everybody thinks, but I live in Sammamish. So I'm moving away, and I move in, well, I'm technically moving on the 30th of June, but I'm probably gonna couch hop with a few friends. Not really couch hopping, but I'm gonna hop around with a few friends for about probably a week, and then I'm gonna drive down to California. I'm moving to Cali, y'all. I'm moving to California. I did not think that I was gonna move states during my program, but here we are. So I'm moving to California, and yeah. So I thought, let me just bring y'all a vlog today, this week. So this is gonna be a week in the life, and you guys are gonna get to enjoy it with me. We're gonna go through this week together, do some life together, have some fun, you know. And I'll just vlog whenever I have the time, or whenever I'm doing something interesting, like tomorrow, you know, all the things. So yeah, it's sunny. Oh my goodness, loving, chef's kiss that it's so sunny. I'm loving it. This is hello. Hey y'all. I feel like the thing is like all up in my business, so I'm gonna put y'all up here for a second while I talk to y'all. But hi, good morning. Today is obviously the next day, but I'm wearing a dress today. I'll show you guys when I get to the library. But I went to this really cute coffee shop called Aroma Coffee. Can't see it here. I got a mango smoothie because I didn't want coffee. I don't really like buying like iced coffee or coffee from like coffee shops. It's just not really my thing. I feel like they overdo it, especially American coffee. It's like so strong. Like I'm not trying to be awake for 300 days here, okay? So yeah, it is so hot today, but not as hot as yesterday, so that's great. But yeah, I'm gonna go home. I forgot my hard drives. I was gonna stay here pretty much till 1, but I forgot my hard drive, so now I have to go home, and I'm just gonna go to the library instead of coming back here because it is a bit of a drive. Well, it's not really a bit of a drive. It's only 20 minutes from the house. But yeah, It was fun. I forgot I was vlogging for a second, but I did get some Bible study done. I'm gonna get a little bit more done because I only did like half of a chapter. I'm on John 4. I'm studying John 4. I'm trying to get through the whole book of John, so I'm doing that. But also, quick question, how old do I look? Because I know I look young. I know I look like a teenager most of the time. But I was like, I'm gonna wear this dress. I'm gonna try and look a little bit older. I realized that that probably didn't work. Because tell me why this lady, she was so sweet. So sweet. She comes up to me and she's like, let me switch it. If I close this one, maybe it'll be better. But she comes up to me, she's like, oh my word, you're just so adorable. So this is like my second time coming to this coffee shop, and she's like, you're so adorable with your outfits and stuff. And I'm like, I definitely look like a child. Why? Oh my word. She was like, oh, you're so adorable. I'm like, adorable? And I feel like if anybody would ask how old I am, they wouldn't believe me because I look like a child. And I'm like, I'm 22. I know I don't feel like 22 most of the time, but I'm 22.
Hi.